ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can greatly benefit Excel users in a variety of ways. Here are a few examples of how ChatGPT can be used to streamline and automate Excel tasks. Data processing. ChatGPT can be used to automate data processing tasks in Excel, such as sorting, filtering, and manipulating large datasets. This can save Excel users a significant amount of time and effort. Text generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate text in Excel, such as product descriptions, customer reviews, or even entire reports. This can save Excel users a lot of time and effort, and also help them to create more accurate and professional-looking documents. Formula generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate formulas in Excel, such as complex calculations or financial models. This can save Excel users a lot of time and effort, and also help them to create more accurate and precise calculations. Assistance with Excel functions. ChatGPT can be used to assist Excel users with functions that they are not familiar with, and also help with troubleshooting when their formula is not working as expected. Automating repetitive tasks. ChatGPT can be used to automate repetitive tasks in Excel, such as data entry, data validation, and data analysis. This can save Excel users a significant amount of time and effort, and also help them to achieve greater accuracy in their work. Overall, ChatGPT is a valuable tool that can greatly benefit Excel users by streamlining and automating a wide range of tasks, saving time and effort and helping to create more accurate and professional-looking documents.